Hi everyone. Today I wanted to share a fun, simple craft activity that you can do with young kiddos. As part of our nature study, we do a lot of art and craft projects, and this week we ended up making these gorgeous little sun picture frames. To do this project, you'll need thick card. We used an old cardboard box that was lying around the house. You'll also need lots of thin sticks, a piece of twine or a ribbon, and colored sand. You could also use dried beans or colored rice if you prefer that. Then you need to cut out two circles like this. One should be slightly smaller than the other. The smaller circle will be the backing for the picture frame. Then you need to cut a circle from the middle of the larger circle. Next, you need to color the large circle. We used yellow. Then we cut the stakes so that we had a total of 20 stakes. 4 of those were slightly longer than the rest. Then we dipped one end in yellow paint. Then we glued the 4 long sticks around the frame in northeast-southwest direction. After that, we glued the rest of the sticks, spacing them evenly around the frame. We tried to use PVA glue instead, but the glue gun was much more effective. Then we put glue into every other gap between the sticks and sprinkled colored sands onto the glue. I used Velcro dust to attach the backing to the frame. You could glue it if you like, but I wanted to make sure that I could easily remove the backing if I wanted to. I cut out some slips from an album I had lying around and then slipped it through the backing and the picture frame. This way you can slide in and change the photos quite easily. Then I attached a bit of twine to the back of the picture frame with a hot glue gun so we could hang it. This is a really fun and easy project to do with your kiddos.